Hi. Now we are going to see Mastercam print command. So many people have a doubt in the doubt that by using Mastercam, can you able to make the drafting and take out the printout? So many people has got this doubt. So for that reason, in the print option, I am trying to explain the drafting also. Okay, no doubt. Many things are there in the making the dimension and other thing. So we will not go deep in that dimensioning and other thing. So in this we will see how to make one drafting and making the printout. Not too much inside the drafting option. Now I have one solid model here. Okay. Uh, so so in the solid there is a option called layout. So one thing is important to remember, if you want to make the drafting, so Mastercam file should be a solid file. Surface file, it will not you will not able to make the drafting. In solid model, you can make the drafting very easily. So for that, I have taken one small example, and in the solid there is a drafting option is there. Just you click it. After the drafting, we are going to use the print command. So, okay, we'll concentrate more on the print option, not the drafting option. Okay, in the solid, you have a layout option. Here, you can select the paper. So, even templates, you can bring it over your own. If you have a template, you can bring it here. So, this template, any other template also, if you want, you can. Maybe in my old version, maybe there is a template. One small template is available. So you can make a template and you can bring it here. So I have some standard template. I can so all the borders and other things will be available in that particular file. So you can save it in that. And that template you can bring it here and you can add the views here. Okay. So now you can see that my my template is small, but my job is going away from the I can reset it. Okay, I'll take the little bigger template here, and in case if going little more also, and we'll translate it and fit it. I can reset now. We'll take A3 paper now. Okay. Still it is little away from the paper. We can translate and we can reset it. Many options are there here. You can show and hidden the dotted line, hiding and unhiding. uh, even show to one view if you want to show that also you can do it. In this first view, if you want to don't want any dotted lines like that also you can see. Okay, then either can you can make add new views, additional views, even some views you don't want also you can, and you can reset also. So now again, if you want to add view, isometric view, you can add it. It has come, but it is come at the center. Okay, so like this you can add view also, you can do it. So I'll close this. I have made some awkward things here. Again I'll go here, the same file, accept. Yes, you can say, means earlier what are saved in the same place. Okay, so we have seen add and remove views. Now we have you can align and move, copy, all the things you can do. Sectional view you can give, and added views, sectional view, and enlarge view. So horizontal section, vertical section. Okay. Again I will try sectional view. I make it vertical. Where you want to keep scale and other thing, you can, where you want to keep it. So you can keep it there. So like this you can make additional views. So it is there in the level. It automatically goes to the new level. So now you can align this drawing. So we can select this top both, and I will say translate. You cannot get the hi-fi drafting here, but minimum required whatever thing you want you can do it. I'll just move it in the Y. Still more I need to move. Okay. So in horizontal also I need to move. I'll select again. I'll translate. So we need to bring inside the outer portion also, translate. You can select this also, or move it little inside. X I need to move. Still more if you want you can bring it. Okay. And now we'll bring this also. So translate X. Still more I can bring it. Okay. So now it is views are comes inside the paper. If you want to give some other color, you can give it. Which color you want, you can give it. Select it and say OK to this. I kept white only, clear colors. Now you can see. So here, what is the dimensions you want to give? All the dimensions you can give. Go to drafting. You select OK. Even size and other thing you can hide. All the things you can modify. Okay, 5 mm is okay. Again, I'll select. Goes on add the dimensions. Vertical. Okay, this circular dimension. So all the outer circle dimension. Okay. So you want write any comment also, you can write down here. You can write 4 holes, dia 12. So we can keep this comment here. Okay. So in the next view, you can give the thickness. So you can click on center line, and here you can give the width. You can give so all dimension even. If you want section view is there, you want to make hatching, you can do it. So you want a dimension, you can give it. So once you finish all the things you have done, so what are the name and other things you want to give, those things you can give it. So this part name, if you want to give, size is too big, like this. What is the part name, what is the material, all the things input you want to give, all these things you can give. Some note if you want to give, refer 3D drawing for other dimension. So like this you can provide the note also. So here you make it little bigger, keep it there. So now if you want to take the print of this, so now you made the drafting. So how to make the print in the Mastercam? Print. So it comes like this only initially. So you can say select the paper also. So it's not in the standard thing. Up to A3 only they have. So you keep it as such. Then you go here fit option is there. So it will automatically fit in the paper size. So if you want to change the color difference, this object line you want little thicker, you can do it. White line I think 15. Okay. 15 means white. That numbers, remaining number, you can just go check the number, color number. So 15 is there, white color number. I selected a 15. Now I can change the line thickness. I will change to the 15 color. Okay. Now I'll go again in the 15 color. I'll make it little thicker. So you can see that there is a change here. One more, still more thickness if you want to show, add it. So now you can go print. paper select you can do, and paper size you can do, and print you can do, fit to scale you can do, line thickness you can modify, and even you can do the scaling also. You can change dimension color one color and object line color one other. So if you fit to center means automatically whatever the paper size you have selected it will fit in that. So now we will go on the print. So we will save it in the desktop, new folder. So you can give the name, die plate drawing. Save it. So like this, whatever drawing is there, you can print it. So you can see that file where it is saved, how it is look like. Okay. Now I just to shown you the how to make from solid to layout and from layout to printout. Directly you can give now it's a PDF it will print. Okay. So now suppose I do not have the solid model. Suppose I have only the wireframe model. Can it possible to print? So now I will go to the top view. Suppose I want to print this. Okay. You can go file print. Here also you can change the color, fit to screen. So here also you can make the printout. Or otherwise, I don't want this along the solid. I need only 2D, and that also you can do. I select all the 2D top view. So now you want to print it. So you can take the dimensions and also then print it. So you can make the drop thing here. And still we will see a complete drafting as a separate lecture. Now just to explain you about the print, I just showing a small example here. Don't worry. So x distance and y distance, and okay. So now this if you want to print it, yes, you can print it. Go directly print and we'll say fit. What is the paper size if you want? Set it. Landscape or portrait how you want. Landscape. Then if you want to give some margin, you give it. So you can change the color and say fit. You can print it. Test print. I will give the name test print. Okay. Let me see. Where is this file? Okay. Now you can open it. Like this, you can print any file from the Mastercam. Okay. So this is all about the print. So there is another command. Other things are there. Um, You can see here configuration we have seen, we will see, and option we will see separately. So here in the community you can communicate with the all other users, and in the help command, here this convert and import exports are there. Suppose you have done some work in the old version, those things you can import as a folder here in the new version. Suppose you have worked in the 2021 and you want 2020 and you want to bring it here, that you can use the merge wizard, import folder. So now it will allow you to bring the old version file to uh, inside. From here also, if you want to export, you can export it. So what is the file format you want to import? So different file format also you can import, export, you can do it. Similarly, you can do export also. This in some other folder you can also take it out. But you can export here from here also. You can just see the file path whether this is, I am showing it to you for the knowledge. Okay. So what is left out is the configuration and option. So that option we will see it separately. There is one more option is called the open with editor. So in that situation, that command is used for opening the NC file and viewing it in the Mastercam. So I'll show you that merge command. Sorry, um, so any NC file if you want, you can open it. Okay, I'll go to share document. It will not come here. My document only. Documents, my document, 2021, Mastercam, min, NC. Open any one file. Editor also you can change what editor you want to open and see. Notepad or Mastercam editor. Select it, just editor. Editor you select it and open it. So now this file is opening in the Mastercam editor. This is the file open with the editor. Okay. Um, so we try to cover all the commands in the file menu. So what is left out, that we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.